Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Auth0 SDK for React Native Authentication. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with installing the Auth0 SDK for React Native, first, ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. If you haven't already, create a new React Native project using the command line. Navigate to your project's directory with the terminal. Next, install the Auth0 React Native SDK by running the following command. Use npm by typing npm install React Native Auth0. If you prefer Yarn, you can install it by typing yarn add React Native Auth0. Once the installation is complete, open your project in your favorite code editor. Locate the file where you want to implement authentication. Typically this would be in a component related to user login. Import the Auth0 package at the top of your file. You will need to create an instance of the Auth0 client using your Auth0 domain and client ID. Create a new file to store your Auth0 configuration. In this file, add your Auth0 domain and client ID, which you can find on your Auth0 dashboard. Return to your main component and initialize the Auth0 client with the configuration you just created. Next, set up a function to handle user authentication. Use the authorize method from the Auth0 client to start the login process. Make sure to handle the response to check if the authentication was successful. You should then save the user information and tokens securely. Consider adding error handling for scenarios where authentication may fail. Now that you have implemented the login function, consider creating a logout function as well. This function can use the Auth0 client's logout method to log the user out of the application. Once your components are set up, test the authentication flow in your app. Use an emulator or a physical device to ensure everything works as expected. Make sure to check the console for any errors during the authentication process. After testing, refine your app's user interface to provide a seamless login experience. With these steps, you should have successfully installed and set up the Auth0 SDK for React Native Authentication. You're now ready to enhance your application with secure user authentication features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.